So right now over here, it's very rainy, guys. Hey, I need to show the view. That's so much rain, as you would say. And like, yeah. And like, we got so much preparation, and that it was raining. Yeah, I just checked on the radar. It said that it was gonna rain soon, and we predicted. And what you heard that? I already predicted it was going to rain because I checked on my radars. Checked on my radar. I checked on the check. Hey! I always checked on the check every single day. And it's so wet. I'm not gonna lie, that is so much. Like, barely anything. Oh my god. Guys, I can feel the rain over here.
Oh, hopefully the rain's about to end over there.
Yeah.
We're at the edge of the storm.
You see, like, there's so foggy rain over there.